I know this looks pretty stupid, but if I can save one ember from burning down my house, I'll take the risk. I pray to God it. We need our governments to be more proactive about these wildfires. They're happening every single time, several times a year. There must be some things we can do to try to mitigate this. Please. Fire hydrants are empty. Firefighters are doing everything they can, but we need to do things more proactively before. It's not about the financial loss, but just everything, every possession of you and your family and every memory forever. It was hard to imagine losing all of that. My heart goes out. I know 5 friends already that have lost their homes.